If we don't pay our rent soon, we'll be out on the street. Now here's something. Oh, wait. This is the same coal miner rescue job from last month. What is that delicious smell? You know, Elmo, if everyone was as talented as you, the dry cleaners would go out of business. I've got it! Once again, dear brother, your ineptitude has inspired me to greatness. Our ship is coming. This time, we're going straight to the top. And do you know how? Dry cleaning.
Oh, boy!
Financial liquidity? Here we come.
Yeah, liquidy!
Ha! No sooner do we open our doors than the calls start coming in. Hello? Louie and Elmo's All-American Cleaners, open 7 days a week. Always pleased to serve you. Free hangers with every order. Louie, the proprietor, speaking. How may I help you? Yes, sir. Elmo, do you know who that was?
Liquid?
Hokey smokes! It's the president!
Are you Louie and Elmo, and is this the All-American Cleaners?
Oh, why,
Who wants to know?
I need this suit altered, cleaned, and pressed by 5 p.m. Can you do it, citizens?
For the president? Yes, sir. Of course, sir. Anything to be of service.
Great, boys! You know, I love to spend time amongst the people of this fine land, but I tee off with the King of Siam in 15 minutes. So, let's take those measurements.
Okay, Mr. President. This should only take a minute. Sleep, 32.
32.
Waist, 34.
Waist.
Fat, 56.
50.
Light, 64.
60.
Inseam. Oh, sorry, Mr. President.
No problem.
Okay, Mr. President. We've got what we need.
That's great, boys. Now, don't forget, it has to be ready at 5 p.m.
You can count on us, Mr. President. Just remember, you came to the right place. Okay, bro, let's see those notes. Let's get to work. All right, Elmo, we'll just have to guess at those measurements. Now, why don't you try giving that sewing machine a whirl?
How's that?
Elmo! It's getting late. Where's the suit?
What was I supposed to be doing?
Elmo, it's almost 5 o'clock. How's that presidential suit coming along?
All done, Louie.
Good. Now, put it in that box over there.
Louie? What do I do with, this?
Bring it up to the front counter.
Okay, Louie.
You shredded the president's suit! It's 5 minutes to 5! He's gotta be here any minute! We failed our country! We'll be ruined!
Louie, snap out of it. We've still got time. All we have to do is work together.
Right on time.
Lloyd? Lloyd?
That looks great. You guys did a splendid job.
Lloyd? Lloyd, I'm stuck in the thing.
Gee, I'm so happy with the job you guys did. Why don't you take this great big handful of money? So long now, and thanks again.
We did it, pal. We're rich. We're poor.
Well, Louie, I guess we are out of the dry cleaning business.
Yeah. But look at this. We could recycle these bricks. We'll make a fortune.